What's going on, YouTube family? This is David here with you on a Monday. We got about 8 on the list and we're headed to a refrigerator. Got a couple dishwashers and that's it. I think refrigerators and dishwashers today. Lovely. But we're gonna have a good day today. It's a little rainy. Gotta watch out for the traffic, people driving, and this thing is going crazy right now. And we're just gonna make this thing happen for today. We got a good one that's ahead of us. Before we go to our next job, we got to get some rocket fuel in the rocket. Now we can get on the road. Guys, we're about to walk in. Probably gonna have to defrost this refrigerator again because they went on vacation. I gotta go in, take the door off on this French door refrigerator. It's a KitchenAid, and we're gonna put the evaporator and the sensors in. It comes one whole harness with a fan motor also. So let's go. Alright guys, so we got that one fixed up and now I'm headed on down the road here to the next call, which is we got a washer that won't stop spinning. So gonna go check that one out, and this guy's gonna get hit because he just pulled out in front of me. Anyway, so we're going to that one, gonna have that one going, get it checked out. And then we're heading on to the next one. We're out here on the unit. They said it won't stop spinning, so I put it in the diagnostic mode. We're fixing to check it out, listen to all the components and see what it's doing. If all the components check out fine, and even though it functions through this diagnostic mode, if I hear the actuator shift, it drains, it spins properly, it's not bouncing all over the place, then we're gonna go with the board for sure. So this call is one of the property management calls, and the manager said that there was a lot of ice and water buildup in the refrigerators. So my first thoughts was maybe a clogged drain, but after getting here, we discovered something a little bit differently, but you'll see here. Staying stuck, boys. Easy money. It's actually something as easy as this little piece right here. This metal piece has actually come out, and so easy fix. Alright guys, we fixed that flap there. Easy money. It just got smacked. There was nothing broke. It just, probably some kid come up there and hit it real hard, knocked that spring out. So we got it fixed. We're headed off the beach and headed to go look at a recall on an ice maker, just continuing to make ice. So we're gonna check that out. That ice maker back in shape there. Arm had broke off. So we got a new arm on there where it can tell if it needs to fill or not. If it has any more issues with it, I have a sensor I will replace, but until then we're going to see if the arm was causing the issue, which I knew that it was, but there could be another underlying issue there. But got that one fixed up and on to the next one. got that water valve on that Sub-Zero there. It was just right up under the front, a little single water valve that runs up to the ice maker, nothing fancy. Homeowner was kind of there around me, so I didn't whip out the camera. But headed to a leaky dishwasher, and then I have, for the last call, well, hold on, excuse me, we got two more. Then I have LG dishwasher not draining, and then I have a ice maker not making ice. So 2 dishwashers and ice maker, not bad for the end of the day. Here's the drain line on a dishwasher that is installed improperly. It needs to have a loop. It needs to be up above the trash compactor. This is why it was getting clogged. Alright guys, this is all the footage I had for this particular day. If you want to join my email list, be sure to check out the description below. Also, if you're already a part of the email list, make sure you go to the spam and mark my email not spam so you can receive updates. Thank you for watching my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notifying bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.